Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the L3 button on your controller not working on your Xbox Series X. So the first thing you might need to do is reset your controller. So all you have to do is locate the sync button on your controller. This is it. Locate this button and then press and hold it for about 15 seconds until you hear 2 vibrations, and then release it, and that should reset your controller. So let me show you how to do this. So press and hold the button. So here's the button. Press and hold it for about 15 seconds. You'll see the light flash. Ignore that. Keep holding. Keep holding until you feel 2 slight vibrations, and then release that button, and that will reset your controller. So you can now power it on. And then if you have a USB cable, you can simply connect your USB cable to this controller and then connect the other end to the Xbox Series X, and that should fix that issue. So another way to fix this issue is by simply rotating the analog stick, left analog stick, a couple of times. Just keep rotating clockwise and anti-clockwise to see if there's any debris left in on that stick. And then once you do that, you can decide to pull it out. So just simply find the left analog stick and then pull it out, and then push it back in, pull it out, push it back in a couple of times. Then do that until you feel like it's okay. And then the next step you can do is just press it in for a couple of seconds and then release it. So press that stick, analog stick, and then release it. So that should fix that particular issue. So in case there's some debris left in the analog stick, all you have to do is blow through this point so that the debris can be removed. Or if you have compressed air, you can just simply press some air in there, and that should fix that particular issue. So that's basically it on how to fix your L3 button not working on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.